Good morning. It's Thursday, day 20, the halfway point. It's gone by really quickly for me. I'm not sure about you, but it's gone by quickly and yet with some purpose. I've really enjoyed it. So let's get going. Aham prema, aham prema, aham prema, aham prema. Aham prema, 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 aham prema. Aham prema, 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 aham prema. Aham prema, 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 aham prema. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. I thought I might beat the blender downstairs, but my timing was off, so hopefully it's not too much of a distraction. And I wanted to share this great shirt which says, "In the midst of chaos, find stillness." And this beautiful little artwork. Heart in the middle, I just loved it so much. Peace, love, hope, and stillness to your Thursday.